going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It is Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking. Show you how to make some cupcakes today because Aspen, she hasn't been feeling good and she wants some cupcakes. We're gonna get our blue bowl out. Yeah, cupcakes will make her feel better, she says. So we're gonna be using some deluxe moist confetti. Yeah, if she puts the sprinkles on it, make her feel better. With our confetti mix. Go ahead. You don't gotta throw it around. Just like that. That's good. Let go. She kept saying she wanted chocolate. I didn't have chocolate, but I got Jello. We're gonna put the pudding in the cake mix. So we're gonna put the pudding in the cake mix because this is gonna give your cake a good little moisture to it. Plus it'll make chocolate. I'm just gonna combine that in with my cake mix. And then what we have here is a cup and a fourth of high quality H2O. Yep. Then we have a half a cup of oil. And then we have 4 eggs. Yep, we're just going to whisk all that together. It's going to get chocolate confetti now. Go ahead and preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Go ahead. Got everything good and mixed. Get your cupcake pans.
You gotta make cupcakes. I'm gonna take your noodles. I got your noodles.
So I'm gonna use my 1/3 cup and just rip my mix, scoop, and dump. Got one sack, go ahead and throw in the oven. All right, we're gonna make some frosting to go on these cupcakes when they come out because we don't have any frosting, so I have to make some. And I should have enough of everything. So on the back of your unsweetened cocoa, there is a recipe for frosting. If you don't know, this is some of the best frosting there is. So just follow that recipe. Half a cup of margarine, so 1 stick of butter, 2/3 cocoa, 3 cups powdered sugar, 1 cup or 1/3 of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So I got unsalted and I got salted. So salt, butter. We need 2/3 cup of cocoa powder. So there's 1.
Now what up is this?
2/3 of cocoa. I'm not entirely sure, but I know this isn't 3 cups. I'm just going to use the rest of what I got. I'm going to try to get 3 cups out of this. 1, 2, and that'll be 3. 1/3 of milk, and a splash of vanilla. Grab my beautiful hand mixer from the Drew Barrymore collection, located at Walmart. There's a tip and a trick to make this the best frosting you ever had. You want to get some instant coffee, instant espresso, whatever. And we're just going to get a spoonful. This is instant espresso. And sprinkle that right on in. I got a fondant bag here. I'm slowly learning how to do these things. Slowly but surely. So I bought this little thing. And I'm going to drop my head on in the bag and push it on the way down. I'm going to push it to where it's tight in there after I cut it.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
So let's try to get these frosted up. I've had them sitting in the fridge for a little while with my frosting. The only thing left is to try it. Did it. Fancy looking cupcakes, topping, rose pattern with the frosting. Let's try it. That's good. Thank y'all so much for being here. If you guys will do me a huge favor, like, comment, subscribe. Tell someone you love them, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!